Guys, I'm trying to look at the moon and try to picture it. Hold on, let me look. Oh, I can see it, but I cannot see it right here. Look, see for yourself. This is my setup, yo. This is my setup. A phone holder. Dude, I'm trying to look at the moon. I cannot just now, bro. I can't see it. I can't see it. I'm trying to point it at the moon. You can see it. Let me point it at the moon. Hey, do you see it or you just see black? Tell me on the comments.